Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna look at some advanced vocabulary for talking about rainy season. So let's have a look. As I'm going to talk about the rainy season of my city, Islamabad, and I'll show you all the words that I'm speaking on the screen, and those words which are good ones that you need to talk about this type of weather. I'm going to show you that on the screen in bold. You may want to write down those words on a piece of paper to recall and memorize these words later. So let's have a look. The weather of Islamabad is, notoriously changeable. What it means that it is totally unpredictable. It may not be raining now in the afternoon, but in the evening, the clouds can come from nowhere and it could be raining. But during the rainy season in my city, there is unbearable humidity. And when the rain stops and clouds give way to sun, it often gets terribly hot, humid, and sticky. High moisture in air sometimes causes suffocation. The torrential rains during these months can lead to flash floods. It might turn into urban flooding if there is a prolonged period of heavy rain, like it did last year in E11 sector. You can also say these sentences. It's hot and unbearable humidity today. It is so suffocating. The weather is miserably hot today. The cloud is having hide and seek with the sun. Today it was cloudy with outbreaks of rain and drizzle. The rain continued into the evening. The drizzle has now stopped and the sun is breaking through. The rain was lashing the windows. I hope you liked this video and the vocabulary in it. If you liked it, please share it with others. Goodbye.